So here we go guys, this is the Fossil Carraway 30mm. It's got a 9.4mm case thickness and retails at around about £113 if you buy it from Amazon. And operates on a full quartz movement, as you can see from that ticking hand there. Takes its, well, not so much takes its inspiration, but it gets its sorry, I'm just trying to get my camera to focus on it properly. There we go. It gets its sort of inspiration from like the Cartier design watches. That simple sort of square, like the square shape and the Roman numeral increments, simple luminous hands as well. So, watch is also 5 ATM waterproof and uses a 2-layer style dial. The dial itself is a sunray silvery sort of metallic dial with a nice blue detailing hand, just to follow that sort of Cartier theme. Nothing else on the watch apart from obviously the date and hands, but they're fully luminous as well, those hands, which is good. Full curved, I think it's sapphire. I think it was sapphire glass. It sells in specs. I can't remember. You'll have to double check that. It could be sapphire glass. It also uses a SR626SW battery. Got a decent battery life on that. You can also have your own monogram printed to this watch. I think it's on the back you have it printed. Let's get a bit more closer. So inside the face we don't have sort of any sort of inside markings inside there. It's just a plain metallic inside. Come out to the casing. We've got a stainless steel finished casing here. Chrome effect on it, go all the way around. Let's have a look at the crown. Let's have a look and see that moves. It's an easy access crown, so it just hangs just over the bottom of that casing, so we can actually get our fingers behind that. It's got a nice sturdy movement to it. It's not too flimsy. Just a simple clicking down movement to push that back in place. The second hand also lines up with the increments quite nicely as well, which is a good touch for watches. So coming out to the strap, we've got a 22mm strap here. Very sort of follows the Cartier sort of theme sort of strap. Coming all the way down to the buckle. Let's just have a look at how it's adjusted. So if you want to adjust this strap, I think it's just an adjustable strap using like hinges and stuff like that. So there's no sort of pin. It doesn't look like. Actually, there is pins. Yeah, there is pins to it. Sorry, I just didn't. My eyesight's going. Yeah, so little tiny pins just to push those out. Little punching pins. You've also got a single prong strap buckle, as you can see here, with a matte interior finish into it. Also, you've got some mole markings in there, model as well. Actually, I think that's the metal. Could be. Nice matte effect on that. Round the back, got a full stainless steel back plate there, just a plain mirror finish. Little more information about the watch on the back as well. So there we go guys, that is the Fossil Carraway 30mm.